Hello everyone. Welcome to Insta Famous Model YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Ashourina Katlyn is an Instagram star and model who is known for her plus-size figure and for modeling for different companies and posting the pictures for her over lots of Instagram followers. She was brought up in Thailand by her parents and spent her childhood there. She has been interested in being a model since a young age. She soon started getting recognition as a fashion model on Instagram. She is a well-known Instagram model known for his beautiful photos and great curvy physique. Nowadays she was very famous social media platform. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Love you guys.